Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're an operations or compliance leader tuning in with us today, you probably know exactly what it feels like to be totally weighed down by regulatory overload. Keeping everything compliant, safe, and running efficiently, it's a massive undertaking. And honestly, managing the sheer volume of those audits can sometimes feel like a heavier burden than the actual work you're auditing. Well, in this explainer, we're going to take a really close look at the tools we use to manage that burden. Specifically, we'll be comparing modern digital audit software right up against the traditional paper-based methods we all know so well. Okay, let's dive into this. First, we'll look at the paper trail problem. Then, what is a digital audit? Followed by the cost of manual processes, why organizations are switching, and finally, real-world digital results. By the end of this, you're going to see exactly how some teams are cutting their nonconformities by nearly a third. Let's get to it. Section 1, the paper trail problem, or why traditional compliance slows you down. Now, I want to be fair right up front here. Paper-based audits do technically work, but they rely heavily on a foundation of blind trust and manual follow-ups, and that creates massive bottlenecks in any modern, fast-paced operation. Let's walk through this process together, and I'm sure this is going to sound painfully familiar to a lot of you. So first, your auditor heads out carrying a printed checklist on a clipboard. They walk the site, jotting down their findings by hand. Now, if they spot a hazard or a compliance issue, they have to pull out a totally separate device, like a phone or a digital camera, just to take a photo. So now your checklist is on the clipboard and your visual evidence is trapped in a camera roll. Finally, they head back to a desk, collect all those physical forms, type everything up into a computer, try to match the photos to the right files, and store it. Oh, and if there are corrective actions, those usually get tracked in messy, disconnected email threads or some static spreadsheet. It is clunky, it's a multi-stage headache, and honestly, it leaves so much room for human error. Moving on to Section 2. What is a digital audit? Bringing compliance into real time. This is where we finally leave that clipboard behind. We're shifting the entire process into dedicated software, usually a powerful mobile app that runs the whole show electronically, right from start to finish. Instead of juggling a clipboard and a camera, your auditor simply fills out the checklist directly on their phone or tablet. When they take a photo of an issue, boom, it attaches to that specific checklist item instantly. The device also captures exact location data the exact moment they submit it. The second they hit submit, the report auto-generates. And honestly, perhaps the best part? Any corrective actions that need to happen are assigned and tracked inside that exact same system, right then and there. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that it represents a massive shift in philosophy. Over on the left, paper audits are trust-based. You're basically trusting the auditor wrote it down right, trusting that the follow-up email actually got sent, trusting the data isn't lost in a filing cabinet somewhere. But on the right, the digital audit is proof-based. You get instant, verifiable records with centralized visibility. It's literally the difference between hoping something was checked and knowing for an absolute fact it was checked, with a time-stamped photo to prove it. That brings us to Section 3, the cost of manual processes and the compounding headaches of paper. Because let's be real, while a single paper audit might not seem like a massive deal, the aggregate effect across a whole organization, it's huge. So ask yourself, looking at your own operations, why do manual audits create so many problems? What are the unseen, creeping costs of that traditional clipboard method that are quietly eating away at your efficiency every single day? Well, the sources highlight these 5 compounding costs. First up, fragmented processes. With paper, Site A might be using an old, outdated form while Site B is on a new one. Your data just doesn't match up. Second, delayed corrective actions. Say an issue gets logged on a Tuesday, but the report isn't actually typed up and emailed until Friday. That is 3 full days of totally unnecessary risk. Third, no centralized visibility. Leadership is quite literally waiting around in the dark for reports to be compiled. Fourth, this naturally leads right into the rising costs of noncompliance, because those missed, tiny issues, they quickly mutate into massive, incredibly expensive problems later on. And finally, regulatory overload. Just trying to keep up with multiple complex standards using manual checklists is basically a recipe for burnout. Okay, let's look at the fix in Section 4, why organizations are switching and the undeniable benefits of going digital. We've agitated the problem enough. So let's look at how modern software directly fixes these glaring gaps. Look at the direct juxtaposition between these methods here. Checklists, they go from being typed up way later to being submitted instantly. Evidence, going from stored separately on some random hard drive to attached automatically to the exact finding. Corrective actions, escaping the black hole of lost emails entirely and instead being tracked all the way through to actual closure. And visibility? You're upgrading from a delayed retrospective summary to a live, breathing data feed. Literally every single paper-based headache gets an immediate streamlined digital win. These direct upgrades naturally translate to some massive organizational benefits. Because audits are faster and submitted on the spot, you get instant violation alerts. If something is critically wrong, the right people know immediately, not next week. All this feeds right into a centralized live dashboard, backed by that stronger proof we talked about, photos and location data. And this brilliantly illustrates the real magic here, scaling. With a digital system, you can update a compliance checklist and instantly roll it out to over 100 sites at once, with perfect accountability through role-based access. That ensures everyone only sees the exact data they need to do their jobs. Game changer, right? All right, let's bring it all home with Section 5, Real-World Digital Results. We're looking at a case study on Qualus by Kanishka Software. To really see this in action, we're looking at Qualus, which is a digital audit platform actively used across some highly complex industries, like healthcare, manufacturing, and pharma. Qualus basically brings everything we just discussed right into reality. It replaces that traditional clipboard with a dedicated mobile app checklist. It utilizes built-in photo evidence, so absolutely nothing gets disconnected. It features a robust CAPA, that's corrective and preventive action, tracker right inside the software. And it ties all this incredible data together into a live compliance dashboard for leadership. But what does that actually look like at scale? Well, the sources note that organizations using the Qualus platform have successfully audited over 500 different sites. I mean, that is a massive operational footprint being managed without a single piece of paper getting lost in transit. No way you're doing that with a clipboard. Furthermore, they've configured over 50,000 checklists on the platform. Just think about the sheer volume of compliance tasks, safety checks, and quality assurance protocols that have been successfully digitized and standardized across those organizations. It's a huge amount of data, perfectly organized. So the crucial point is this number right here, 30%. Across these industries, organizations using Qualus reported a 30% reduction in non-conformities when compared directly to their old manual processes. That is not just a mild improvement in paperwork. That is a massive, tangible leap in operational safety, quality, and compliance ROI. For organizations managing multiple locations, sticking to paper simply leaves way too much room for lost forms and missed follow-ups. It's just too risky. But when you make the switch, the difference adds up incredibly fast. And I'm talking not just in hours of administrative time saved, but in the strict accuracy of the reports themselves. Which brings us to the end, and I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If your current system relies on someone writing something down, taking a separate photo, typing it all up days later, and then emailing a spreadsheet, how much can you actually trust your final report? The evidence from the source material is crystal clear. Digital audits remove the guesswork. They completely eliminate the blind trust, and they give you the verifiable proof you need to run a truly compliant operation. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. It might just be time to take a hard look at those clipboards and ask yourself if it's time for a digital transformation.
Like, subscribe, and share.